Hello Nick, this is Aaron from Voss Motors and I'm making this video especially for you. Here's the 2016 Suzuki GSXR1000. The listing price is $12,388 plus HST licensing. As you can see, here's the VIN for your insurance purposes. It is a 999cc engine, liquid cooled 4-cylinder. It only has 544 kilometers on it. It is the classic Suzuki blue and white. Is the ABS model. As you can see, it is very clean and it comes fully certified. It is in great condition for its year and for it being used. Has a stock pipe on it. You can always come into Voss Motors to take a closer look at this bike, but if you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I'd like to thank you for your interest in the bike and I hope you have a great day, Nick.